This on-vehicle test is to test for the voltage drop between the alternator and the battery. Connect the positive lead of the voltmeter to the positive terminal of the alternator and the negative lead of the voltmeter to a good earth. Set the voltmeter to the voltage scale. Start the engine, run up to half engine speed and apply a load to the electrical circuit by using the headlights. Now connect the voltmeter to the battery. Positive lead of the voltmeter to the positive lead of the battery. Negative lead of the voltmeter to the negative lead of the battery. Set the voltage scale. Load the system as before and take your reading. Compare your last reading with the first, and the difference between the two voltages will be the voltage drop between the alternator and the battery system.